What's up, guys? Welcome back to Garrett's Garage. It's been a really long time since we've done anything, and we're going to try to get... What? What are you hearing?
I guess.
It's Maya. Anyway, it's been a really long time since we've done anything. We are in the garage right now, which is not
5
very...
months to be exact.
What?
5 months to be exact.
5 months? It's been 5 months, apparently, since we've done anything.
Maybe even more.
How do you know?
Maybe even 1 year.
You don't know anything.
So,
You don't
anyway,
know
we're trying to get back to doing it, even though the garage really isn't detail worthy anymore. So, things have kind of...
It's storage now.
It is definitely storage now, but maybe we can get back to it.
You know what?
So,
It does store now. That's really cool. What? Can you say?
anyway, we have a couple shows coming up that we're going to take the Audi to.
It does store this though. Which
One
is
of
also
my...
really cool.
Yes.
One of my photographer friends is putting on a show at the Whataburger in Decatur Friday. You good, buddy?
I'm not doing anything. I'm just trying to make this go down.
I don't trust that at all. So we're going to try to make it to that. And Euro Sunday is Sunday. And then Import Alliance late next month. We got approved for a gallery position there. So anyway, we're all over. The words just got really hard for some reason.
Lord.
We're unboxing.
We're unboxing stuff that we ordered to detail the car with.
And Mom's mad about it.
Wow.
Yeah, Mom's kind of mad about everything today, but
She's having a bad day.
just kind of is what it is, I guess. So anyway, we ordered a bunch of stuff from Auto Finesse, which is one of my favorite brands. So here we go with the unboxing. So the first thing I want to talk about with Auto Finesse, and possibly, that was a weird noise, possibly maybe one of the more important things to me anyway, if you need things really, really fast, Auto Finesse's shipping is insane. So we ordered Sunday night. I ordered it Sunday night. It is now Tuesday. It is Tuesday at almost 9:45 Tuesday night. And we...
Already got it.
What cat are you holding?
So,
So anyway, this got here like noon o'clock today. Got here at noon o'clock today. So if you need something really, really fast,
car parts.
Silver is distracting me. If you need something really, really fast, you're going to a show that week and you just need stuff, then their shipping is insanely fast.
Look how pretty she is.
Look at Silver. Look how majestic Silver is.
She's also really mean though.
So let's get in this because I ordered quite a bit of things.
Come on.
And some of it,
Dad, I saw
there's probably a lot of sliders out here, buddy. There's probably
87.
yeah. Some of these things we've used before, and some of them I hadn't, so I'm a little bit excited to try.
There's 800,000.
I'm really excited about this air freshener. That's upside down. It's a like a summer cranberry, I want to say flavor. Flavor's really the wrong word.
Smell.
But I can smell it through that plastic, and it smells really good, so I'm excited to get that in the car. As far as their packaging goes, it's all kind of crammed in there, but I mean...
Oh no! Oh my god, who left the book?
Well, anyway, as far as the packaging goes, if no more cats escape out of the house, everything's just kind of crammed in there, but with as much stuff as I ordered, I mean, what else do you really expect, honestly? The packaging looks pretty decent. They put these giant foam pieces in there to kind of keep things from shaking around. Everything's kind of put in a really decent place where it's not just going to get jammed around and shake around a lot and break in the box.
Slap mosquitoes.
That's good. Another thing I want to talk about before we go on pulling everything else out of there. When you order from Auto Finesse, I want to say it's every $50 you spend, you get a free gift. They have a list of different things you can pick from, and you can get one of those for free. So one of them was this wash mitt, which I actually have a couple of already. But it turns out, one thing I've discovered is you can never have enough wash mitts because somebody, at some point, will either lose one, or it'll get dirty, or get left outside, or he could possibly get lazy and just leave it outside in the bucket.
I can't tell you how many of these we have.
And then get distracted going to do chores or something, and you just forget it's there. So you can't really have, it's really, really soft. Like a, I don't know, microfiber is probably the word that I'm looking for. It's just not coming to my head, but I really, really like these. They feel good. They work really well in the car. They don't hold a lot of dirt in them all that well. They're just a good overall wash mitt. So that's the first thing we're going to look at. Let's see. All right, onward. Pull this out of the way. Got some spray nozzles there. Can never go wrong with more spray nozzles. So we got these nice little microfiber applicator pads. I'll show you what we're gonna use those for in just a minute.
I'll be right back.
Okay, buddy. We have the Imperial wheel cleaner. This is not one that I've used before, so I'm excited to see how well it works. We will try to do a review video on it so you guys can see kind of how well it works. But you can see how good their, well, they probably deserve it. You can see how well their packaging is here. It's in this little plastic wrap, and it's got this tape over the top of the bottle there, so nothing's spilling out, nothing's making a mess.
I didn't break it.
This is actually the other free gift that I chose, was a whole drying towel. I did have to spend $100. This was my second free gift. So there's kind of tiers to it, but yeah, I don't know how well this one works, so maybe we'll review this one too. I have their other drying towel, and it works pretty decently. So maybe we'll do a review on that too, so you guys know if it's worth getting or not. And then we have everything in here, which we have the crystal glass cleaner, which I haven't used that one before either, so we'll see how well that works. We have this tread tire cleaner, so that's another thing I haven't used before. I didn't realize how many things I ordered that I have not used before. And this hide leather conditioner, I've also not used before. So we have a lot of things to review for you guys. That's actually what I bought these microfiber applicator pads for, was to use those together, and hopefully that'll work really well. We're gonna find out, and hopefully you guys will also get to find out how well those worked. And the last things we have here is this lavish ceramic foam, which I actually have used before, and I really, really like. It does a really good job of just kind of refreshing any ceramic coating that you have. I'm trying to get around to the other product I have in there, but it's like weirdly placed in there. Ugh, come on. Anyway, the lavish ceramic foam. What was I saying about it? I don't even remember now. It works really, really well, especially in a foam cannon. It works really good as kind of renewing any ceramic coating that you have, especially if you're using their Caramics, I guess that's how you say it, Caramics line, which the Audi has been coated with, but I'm pretty sure it's not on there anymore at this point. I did not the best job of maintaining it, so that's kind of my fault. I may have to open this so you can see that last thing. Yeah, so the last thing that I ordered is this Avalanche Snow Foam. This one is actually cherry cola scented, which I haven't used this before either, but I've heard that it's really good. So we're going to find out and review that. We were really just more or less doing an unboxing of all the things that we've got here, so you can kind of get an idea of how things do come when you order from them. All of this, I spent maybe, I think about $108. I want to say it was less than $110, between $100 and $110.
Good Lord.
On all of this here. So it's really, I don't know if I would call it inexpensive, but in comparison to the rest of the market, it's probably on par with everything else. So we'll see how well everything works. You can see my blown garage light over there. Oh man, it won't let me zoom into it.
The what?
I've really got to get a new one of those. Anyway, we will see you guys next video, and we'll start reviewing some stuff, and we will, well, that feels really close to my face. And, yeah, I appreciate you guys joining us. Hopefully you continue on the journey with us. And hopefully we can start making some content. See you guys next time. Not like mine. See how mine has the pause there?
Yours is just more upgraded.
Galaxy. You have a stupid iPhone. Galaxy's the way to go.
Stick in mom's car. Can I go get it out?
There's a stick in mom's car?
Yeah, I forgot to take it out.
If it's not locked, you can go get it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
We're going to open it up and sniff it because I want to see what it smells like. Yeah, buddy? What? I may have accidentally left it open. It's possible. We just got home from getting groceries. This is really, there we go. That was a little harder to do with one hand than I expected. All right, I'm excited. I haven't tried this before, but it smells really good, supposedly.
It's okay. It's okay.
Smell it. Smell it.
Okay, wait a second.
Do the sniffing.
Why does that smell familiar?
Because it's cherry cola scented. So now the car's going to smell like cherry cola when we wash it. Maybe.
Can we wash it?
The-
Well, no,
the
that'd be
yard-
too much noise for the neighbors.
The yard's going to smell like cherry cola.
But right around there, like that. So wait for me.
Kids.